What's good, y'all? We are going to do AI cover art using Adobe Photoshop Beta Generative Fill. Let's go. I'm making a mask right here. This is only in Adobe Photoshop Beta, by the way, for now. So you click Generative Fill right here, agree, and then you gotta type in your little prompt. I said great white shark, generate. Now I edited it to make it go faster. It takes a little longer, but as you can see, first little rendition, pretty nice. You can like or dislike the suggestions with those thumbs up, thumbs down. I'm gonna cycle through here and just show you all the options. I'm liking these for a first little test drive. Let's try another mask here. I'm gonna do a group of mean-looking sharks. Bang, generate. Okay, so yeah, we're ooh, look at that bad boy. Those teeth look, yeah, they don't really look too real. You gotta look at the details here, but you know, we're having fun. Huge flock of colorful fish. Let's go, let's try this one. Not bad. Honestly, I mean, as you can see here, you really gotta be as descriptive as possible. This one here, I just try to generate when you leave it blank, and you can't really tell. Like, you can tell when you combine the two, or when you know, whatever. And so I keep going through here, and I keep trying different variations and trying different things out. And before you know it, we get to the final product. And that's it. Subscribe if you like this, and listen to my new song, Onguardian Leviosa, out now. All right, bang, bang, bang. Y'all have a good one.